Welcome to Weapon Handling, your go-to channel for in-depth looks at the most advanced and iconic weapons from around the world. In today's video, we're diving into the Turkish MPT-76 MPT-76, a state-of-the-art assault rifle that has made a significant impact in modern military arsenals. By having these pledges, the MPT-76 MPT-76, commonly known as the MPT-76, is Turkey's first domestically produced standard-issue assault rifle. Developed by the Turkish defense contractor MKEK, the rifle was introduced in 2014 to replace older weapons like the G3 and M16 within the Turkish armed forces. The MPT-76 is chambered in 7.62 Xion of NATO, offering enhanced range and stopping power compared to the typical 5.56 rifles. The MPT-76 boasts a modern design focused on modularity and durability. It features a gas-operated, short-stroke piston system, making it highly reliable in adverse conditions. The rifle includes a full-length Picatinny rail for mounting optics, lights, and other accessories, alongside ergonomic controls and an adjustable stock. It also comes with a folding bipod, making it adaptable for both close-quarter combat and longer-range engagement. One of the MPT-76's standout features is its accuracy. The rifle's robust construction ensures minimal recoil, allowing for better control and precision when firing. The MPT-76 is capable of both semi-automatic and fully automatic fire modes, and its 7.62-20 round provides effective range, making it versatile for a wide range of combat situations. Its reliability in extreme conditions, whether in heat, cold, or moisture, adds to its reputation as a dependable weapon. Since its introduction, the MPT-76 has become the backbone of the Turkish military's infantry forces. It has also drawn attention from international buyers looking for a reliable, cost-effective alternative to Western-made rifles. Turkey's growing defense industry has successfully marketed the MPT-76 to countries around the world, increasing its global presence. The MPT-76 represents a leap forward in Turkey's defense capabilities, showcasing their ability to produce high-performance weapons tailored to modern combat needs. With its advanced features, solid reliability, and versatility, the MPT-76 stands as a symbol of Turkey's growing influence in the global arms market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future weapon breakdowns here on Weapon Handling.